Welcome to the Crypto Win channel. Today we will talk about the price of Zcash for the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the channel before watching this video. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed. Zcash had established itself as an asset similar to mainstream coins by September 2016, although it took some time for mass adoption. A month later, in October 2016, Zerocoin Electric Coin made the official announcement of Zcash as a here and now currency to invade the markets, and the developers sing a saga about how it will change the views of all those on whom fiat money still depends, or other cryptocurrency coins such as Bitcoin. The paradigm shift from Bitcoin to ZEC was primarily due to a structure that provides crystal clear transparency and complete confidentiality of transactions on the network. Despite the fact that transactions are recorded on a common blockchain, neither the sender, nor the recipient, nor even the amount of the transfer are in any way obvious to other users on the network. Zcash is based on cryptographic techniques that ultimately rely on zero-knowledge proofs, thereby ensuring mathematical consistency across the entire transaction procedure, which is cross-validated without disclosing any data or message/password to the other party involved in the transaction. A distinctive feature of Zcash is the use of special transaction block headers, the zk-SNARK protocol, notes, join split descriptions, and many others. Zcash is the result of the painstaking work and core expertise of scientists from renowned universities at MIT, Tel Aviv University, Technion, UC Berkeley, and many others who burned their midnight oil to provide the finest details on the ZEC coin and that the algorithm works flawlessly. It is almost impossible to hack such a system. Zcash is also self-funded with strong community governance that aligns incentives to key stakeholders. Zcash's governance structure is inclusive and hijack-resistant. With the Canopy update from 2020 to 2024, a new community development fund will be secured. With the help of a large grants fund, at least $20 million is allocated for the future development of Zcash, decentralizing the ecosystem. American actor and rapper Donald Glover, also known as Childish Gambino, is most likely one of the first to advocate the use of the Zcash cryptocurrency. In an interview with Time, Glover expressed interest in using Zcash and the opportunities it could bring to the world. In support of what was said, Donald Glover bought Zcash for a very significant amount, which makes one think about buying Zcash. The current price of Zcash today as of June 30, 2021 is $126,838. Will the price of Zcash go up? Yes. The Zcash price could rise from $126,838 to $189,398 in a year. According to our forecasting system, ZEC is an outstanding long-term investment, 1 year. If you are looking for a virtual currency with good returns, ZEC can be a profitable investment option. Zcash is priced at $126,838 as of June 29, 2021. If you buy Zcash for $100 today, you will receive 0.788 SEK. Based on our forecasts, long-term growth is expected, with price forecast for June 27, 2026 $529 194. With a 5-year investment, revenue is expected to be around plus 22%. Your current investment of $100 could be up to $417. 22 in 2026. According to Zcash's annual forecast, the price will reach $250 by the end of 2021. According to our forecast, the predicted high price for 2021 could be around $280, while the low price could be around $180. According to forecasts for 2021, the ZEC coin could be a profitable investment. Undoubtedly, Zcash has a lot of potential and will tend to be the most attractive cryptocurrency, mainly due to its high transaction security coupled with scalable speed peaking at $260, certainly with more in-depth technical analysis of short-term price changes. What remains to be seen is how mining is gaining the attention of governments around the world and whether they recognize the intrinsic value of this crypto asset on par with other valuable assets such as gold. Unsurprisingly, a constantly active team of skilled mathematicians and cryptographers develops and maintains cryptocurrency. You can buy ZEC on cryptocurrency exchanges or through the website of other ZEC owners, with caution. You can also get Zcash by mining Zcash. Mining Zcash allows you to earn tokens by participating in the protection of the decentralized network. Do you like our video? Like and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 bitcoins among all who subscribed.